This person needs no introduction. And I'm speaking about myself because you've seen me speak already here a few times on the Speak to Sell Yourself and Your Business show. Yes, Jose, again. But today we've got a guest. We do have a guest. But before we introduce that guest, let me sip a bit of coffee. Tan, 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 tan. I'm sure you can see the person. She's right next to me. You may know her already. But hey. Cool. So what's her name? Do you know her? Have you seen her somewhere? Talk to us. Type in the chat. Oh, no. I mean, there's no people here. There's no audience. All right. So shall we redo this, Cordelia? I completely forgot. Anyone. I'm out of control.
You have 5 seconds at the start of a video to capture someone's attention. And there's you, like, just like, I'm so important that you're just going to wait during all those seconds that I'm supposed to be capturing your attention. I'm just going to drink my coffee.
You see, so that could be something you can do if you want to create some intrigue. Or I may have failed miserably. So we'll see whether you join or not, because we're not redoing this video, by the way. I mean, this is live. This just happened. So you may decide to take the feedback from Cordelia or give it a go and do the way I did it, see what works. I mean, video after video, you'll learn. Jose, okay, you'll learn.
We'll have no
Cordelia, what's going on here? What's going on here today? Well, basically, I'm going to be interviewing Cordelia. Cordelia is going to be a guest speaker at the Speak to Sell Yourself and Your Business show. Cordelia is amazing. She inspired this community, by the way, when I joined the Rebellious, incredible, amazing, super duper community that she created a couple of years ago during the pandemic or before the pandemic. But I'm going to pass on the mic to Cordelia so she can intro herself. And Jose, shut up and let's get this running. Over to you, Cordelia, and tell us, what are you going to be speaking about? What can the audience take away? And where can they find you if they want to check you out, if they don't know about you? And then we'll wrap up the video and then I'll carry on sipping my coffee. How about that? Over to you.
I absolutely love you, Jose. Let me just say that first and foremost. You are an absolute character and just so much fun to work with. Yeah, so what I'm bringing to Sell What You Know show, well, actually, you asked me to introduce myself. My name is Cordelia, and I used to be a nurse. I'm now a business coach. I help entrepreneurs, startup entrepreneurs, to find more clients in the online space, but predominantly through not just general marketing or paid ads or all of that stuff. I help people to build communities for their business, whether they are right at the start or they already have a big kind of corporate organization. Communities are incredibly powerful because what you're doing is you're bringing people together, you're building relationships with people en masse, you are nurturing that audience, and it grows. It grows via word of mouth, it grows naturally, but you can also grow it with paid ads, down the line as well. And so what we're going to be talking about at the Sell What You Know show this week is how you could install what we call a tribe funnel into your business. Now, it doesn't matter what you do. It doesn't matter where you are in your business journey, whether you've, made 1 or 2 sales or whether you are running a multi-7-figure business. A tribe funnel is incredibly powerful. As I just said, it's bringing people together, but it's building relationships on a fast track with your audience. And the reason why this is so powerful is the purpose of marketing is building relationships, right? The purpose of marketing is not to make sales. The purpose of marketing is to make connections and build trust with people so that we can then later convert them into clients or, enroll them onto a course or whatever it is that we sell. So with that in mind, what's the fastest way or the most efficient way that you can build relationships en masse? Well, actually, I would argue that it's public speaking. A lot of the really big entrepreneurs that have, 1 million followers on their Instagram accounts or, a huge audience have built that audience through public speaking, through getting out in front of a lot of people all in one go and connecting with them and then sending them into a funnel or getting them to go and follow them or just creating interest, right? And building relationships en masse there. So how do we take something like public speaking on a large scale and how do we bring it to a small online business? Well, the way that we do that is with a tribe funnel. And this week at Sell What You Know show, at the Speak to Sell, what's it called?
You can call it a Speak to Sell show or the Speak to Sell Yourself and Your Business show. Either way.
Sell Yourself and Your Business show. Apologies. We've just installed a tribe funnel for another company called the Sell What You Know show, which is why I automatically said that. But anyway, this week I'm going to show you how to get started with one of those, how to install one of those, what that could look like for you, how much work it takes, what results you can expect off the back of it. And it's really, really powerful. As I just said, actually, we've just installed one for quite a big corporate organization, and it's generated an additional few 100,000 in sales just from building a community and launching into that community.
There we go, people. Are you interested? Are you going to join? Are you going to click on the link here, there, in my bio, whatever that is? It's going to go on YouTube as well. All the channels. Click the link. Join us next Thursday at the Speak to Sell Yourself and Your Business show. And I'm so excited. And Cordelia, I really like the link you created between the public speaking and then how you can use that and then channel all of this towards your business, whatever your business is, whether it's big, small, it's growing, getting started. Cordelia, love you lots. Where can people reach out to you just in case that, well, yeah, we do like Cordelia. We don't want to wait until next Thursday. We want to reach out to her right now. Jose, shut up. Hey, don't tell me to shut up, okay? I'm looking at all of you. Right, it's Cordelia.
I have a very unusual name, so you can just Google Cordelia Kate and you'll find me quite easily, or you can go to @cordelia.kate and find me on Instagram, or you can search for the Rebellious Business Network.
Oh, I love the Rebellious Business Network. I cannot wait to speak at the Rebellious Business Network again at some point this year. People, I'll stop talking. The thing is, I get overexcited when I have Cordelia, an incredible guest. It doesn't happen every day. And I had to book her like 2 years in advance, even before I knew her. So there we go. You are lucky. You're going to get a piece of Cordelia. Cordelia, love you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Love you too, darling. Thank you.